Hey boys and girls, good morning. I haven't read you a story in a really long time, so I wanted to read you a story this morning. It's about one of our favorite characters, Llama Llama, and in this book he is not wanting to share. So in this story he has a neighbor come over to his house and he doesn't really want to share his toys. And Miss Humphreys was thinking, I bet a lot of my boys and girls have brothers and sisters at their house, and sometimes maybe they don't want to share. So let's read to find out how Llama Llama shares his toys. So the title of our book is Llama Llama Time, Time to Share. And the author and illustrator, so she wrote the book and the pictures, she drew the pictures, is Anna Dudney. All right, let's read to find out. All right, let's see. Here's our title page. Llama Llama Time to Share. All right, here we go. Llama Llama playing trains. Oh, let's see if I can get the light out of our real life at Miss Humphreys' house. At least the dogs aren't barking and it's quiet. Okay. Llama Llama playing trains, driving trucks and flying planes. Someone's at the door. Who is it? Brand new neighbors come to visit. Llama, this is Nellie New. Look, she has a dolly too. There's Llama. There's the new neighbors. Mrs. New, would you like tea? Come and have a cup with me. You two kids can play in there, and Llama, don't forget to share. Trucks and trains and puzzles too. What's the new girl want to do? Play with kitten, play with blocks. Llama opens up his box. Nellie starts to build a town. Llama starts to frown. Nellie New makes walls and stairs. Llama watches from a chair. Let's stop for a minute. Does it seem like Llama is happy or sad? How is Llama feeling right now? He seems to feel kind of sad. He's standing away, sitting in a chair. Nellie stacks the blocks up high. Fuzzy Llama wants to try. It's a castle, make it tall. Fuzzy Llama jumps the wall. Build a tower, make a moat. Nellie's dolly rows a boat. What can Llama add? Maybe sharing's not so bad. We have to learn to share at school, don't we? We can't take the toys away. We have to ask first before we don't snatch. We have to ask, right? Little baby New makes noise. Mrs. New gets jingly toys. Baby screams and kicks his feet. Mama thinks it's time to eat. Moms are talking. Baby's chewing. Where's that new girl? What's she doing? Let's see what she's doing. Oh, disaster! Dolly drama. Nellie New has Fuzzy Llama. Uh-oh. He's not hers. This isn't fair. Llama doesn't like to share. And what happened? Do you see what's in Llama's hand? It's Fuzzy Llama's arm. Oh no, he pulled too hard and he ripped the arm off. Fuzzy Llama ripped in two, all because of Nellie New. It's a llama emergency. Mama, fix his arm for me. A bit of thread and good as new. But what? But this is what we're gonna do. What do you think they can do? Can they play separate? Maybe. Can they play together and share their toys? Maybe. Can they talk it out and make a plan? Maybe. I'll put Fuzzy on the stairs until you're sure that you can share. Nellie's sorry. Llama too. Well, they apologized to each other. That was nice. It's time for something else to do. Maybe tractors, maybe not. Like to dress up? Not a lot. Let's play kitchen, make a cake. Nellie mixes, Llama bakes. Look, they're getting along. Look, our fancy cake is done. What would make this game more fun? Fuzzy Llama on the stairs. Llama thinks it's time to share. Look at that. They're making a cake and they're working together. And then Llama says, I can go get Fuzzy Llama. Fuzzy Llama will make it so much better. And now Llama says it's time to share. Playtime's over. It's the end. But Llama has a brand new friend. Nellie will be back. And then Llama wants to share again. That's a really good ending to that story. That teaches me that we can make new friends and get along and share our toys. So why I read that book again is because I thought, you know what? We are all at home with our brothers and our sisters, and sometimes it's not so fun to share, but it is fun when you have more people to play with. So it is a really good thing to share. We just have to remember to maybe ask before we take. Can I play with you? Can I play with that block? Can we work together to build a castle? There's all kinds of different ways to ask nicely and share nicely without getting angry and without stealing things from people's hands. So let's just remember that as we play with our brothers and sisters at home. All right, guys, I'll see you later. Love you.